Take a slow, gentle breath in and let it out softly. Close your eyes and bring your awareness to your body right now. Feel the warmth of the fever, the heaviness in your chest, the congestion or the coughing. Instead of fighting these symptoms, we are going to gently meet them with love and compassion. Place a hand over your heart or on your forehead. Now we will speak directly to our body and our immune system as we are talking like a friend. I am sorry for getting frustrated with you because of this cold, coughing and fever. I am sorry for pushing you too hard, ignoring your warning signs and not giving you the deep rest you truly needed. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for looking at this illness as an enemy. I forgot that this fever is your brave way of fighting off the infection, and this cough is your way of cleaning out what doesn't belong. Forgive me for losing patience with you while you are doing your best to protect me. Please forgive me. Thank you. Thank you for working so hard to heal me. Even in this moment of discomfort, thank you for my immune system, my breath, and every single cells that is fighting to me, bring me back into balance. Thank you for forcing me to slow down and take care of myself. Thank you. I love you. I love you, my body, just as you are right now. I love you through the fever, through the cold, and through the exhaustions. You are safe. You are allowed to rest. I trust your incredible power of healing, and I flow love into every warm and aching part of you. I love you. Like this, we will talk to our body and we will heal ourselves. Imagine a soothing, cooling, gentle blue light washing over your head. Feel it. Then rays of blue light washing your head, calming your fever, soothing your throat, and completely relaxing your chest. Feel your body softening into the bed. Take one more gentle breath and slowly take out. Now see ourselves, tell ourselves, my body is healing, my mind at peace, it is mind at peace, it is done. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am grateful. Lots of gratitude. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. आप जैसे ही कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में हो, धीरे धीरे अपनी आँख खोलें और फील कीजिए ये हीलिंग। बस इसी तरह सेम वे we will do our healing. So please share this video to who needed this one healing, and join my YouTube channel, so we'll do healing like this. Thank you.